Hi family, welcome to Chef Arun kitchen. Today I'm going to make white sauce pasta. First of all, add butter to saute vegetables. Saute all the vegetables with butter. Now add the corn flour. And add the milk. Remove all the lumps. With the help of a mixer. Now time to add fresh home liquid cheese for enhance the taste. Now add chili flakes. Oregano. Add all the veggies that you saute and add all the pasta. Cook it for 5 or 6 seconds after it was ready. This is the final look of a delicious creamy white sauce pasta. Tastes so good. If you like the video, if you want to watch more videos, hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you to all.